Hello friends, I am Satish Ahuja, editor of Legal Books. In this video, I will explain the law made by the Honorable Supreme Court of India about the rights of a home buyer in a housing project. It covers what happens if the builder delays giving possession of the flat or house and the buyer asks to get back the full amount paid along with interest and compensation. Friends, if you find this information helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if not subscribed yet. This legal point was explained by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in the case of the Chief Officer, Nagpur Housing and Area Development Board versus Manohar Balde. Manohar, MANOHAR space Balde, BURDE. Civil Appeal number 4383 of 2025, and judgment was delivered on 26th March 2025. In this case, in a group housing project, flat buyer was allotted a 3 BHK flat, in which flat buyer paid an initial amount of rupees 4 lakh. He had to pay the balance amount in 8 installments. Out of these, he paid 7 installments and later also paid the 8th installment, after being assured that the flat would be handed over on time. However, the builder delayed the possession of the flat and later demanded extra money and even threatened to cancel the allotment. The buyer then filed a complaint before the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, alleging deficiency in service and unfair trade practice. State Commission allowed the complaint and ordered the authorities to complete the construction of the flat, pay interest at the rate of 15% per year for delays, and if construction is not completed, refund all the money with 15% interest per year, and pay rupees 10 lakh compensation for the loss and rupees 1 lakh towards physical and mental harassment, along with rupees 25,000 towards litigation cost. Thereafter, builder appealed to the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, and National Commission partly allowed the appeal and ordered a refund of entire amount with 9% interest per annum instead of 15% as ordered by the State Commission. Buyer then went to the High Court, which set aside the National Commission order and again awarded 15% interest per annum from the date of each payment till refund. Builder thereafter appealed to the Supreme Court, arguing that 15% interest was too high and unreasonable. Supreme Court held that National Commission, having taken note of the relevant aspects, including the factum of delay and the fact that flat buyer had opted for refund of money deposited, rightly held that flat buyer cannot be compelled to take possession of the flat after such long time. Hence, National Commission was right in giving order for refund of entire amount deposited with interest of 9% per annum. National Commission order for refund of 9% interest held as fair and reasonable, and High Court order refund of amount with 15% interest held as excessive. Thereafter, order of the National Commission order was restored by the Supreme Court of India. In respect of amount of compensation, Supreme Court held that since the builder is a state housing and development authority and delay was not due to personal animosity of any officer but due to official and procedural reasons, therefore compensation amount of rupees 7.50 lakh held sufficient instead of rupees 10 lakh for justice. Hence, Honorable Supreme Court held that home buyer is entitled to full amount paid by him with 9% yearly interest with an additional compensation of rupees 7.50 lakh. Friends, please read the full Supreme Court judgment for understanding this point more deeply. Thank you, friends. I will try to come with another video on another important legal topic soon. Till then, goodbye and take care. Thanks.